Feeling good, feeling healthy, those are the words of a local woman who will soon get back to the activities that make her happy.
Yeah, that woman actually had to go through a hip replacement surgery, but thanks to medical advancements, doctors are calling it the fastest possible recovery. Our Angela Rozier spoke with a woman and her doctor about this unique approach.
Patty Meisowitz is back where she belongs, on the golf course, after 2 hip replacement surgeries.
First one was the right, February 23rd. June 1st was the left. So it's just been about a month with the left hip.
She's taking it easy.
Actually, to swing a club like September, I got to wait a few more months. But I think, well, I could putt. Putting is good, so I can.
Don't hurt yourself now.
No.
Last July, while out golfing, she says she couldn't turn right. Her hip was hurting.
It's going to be fun to get back into it.
So she went to see a doctor, and now after surgery, she feels good again.
It's a miracle. It really, really is that they could put something into your body, and within 2 weeks you're walking, or actually I walked home from the hospital that day.
Dr. David Buchalter is an orthopedic surgeon. He says the procedure is called a bikini incision, which is a second-generation cutting-edge hip surgery.
First generation was good, second generation was better. A lot of patients can be done as an outpatient. Almost no one stays more than 24 hours. It may have some pain for a week or two, but there are a lot of patients who have no pain.
The procedure also avoids cutting any muscles.
We use the same prostheses we used before, so we know we're going to have the same long-term results. But the difference is we're doing it through a better way to have a faster recovery.
First time you putt since after your surgery.
Not bad.
In Boynton Beach, Angela Rozier, WPBF 25 News.